Dostlar, sizlerle birlikte Brawl Kale'de tanısam. Bugünkü videoda men sizlerge öte keremet videonu ko'rsatib bo'lam. Sebebi öte keremet videoda da qo'ydim. Sebebi bugünkü videoda Singer başlatganda o'ylan ko'ringanmi? Singerning eng suyukli adamlarining Brawl Stars'dagi eng suyukli brawlerlarining da'vosini kim sonlaydi? Bunchalar o'ylan ko'rdingizlarmi? O'ylanmasanızlar bizning videoni до конца ko'ring. Aytbisi bu video seni qattiq motivate etadi. Al do'stlar, video boshlagan so'ng like және подписка kelesi video chiqadi. Al endi videomizga ketdik.
Let's go get him. Así me gusta. Boom. Bling bling. Winning.
Winning is my favorite one.
Winning's fun because winning is fun.
Right.
But time to get constructive.
Strong like the wind. I am one with the earth. And then I do him and all of a sudden I start picturing the Batman that I played every once in a while. I gotta be careful with that.
I could see how those would get close to crossing over.
Dynamite! Sorry. Not bad for an old timer. Don't touch my canary. I've got a short fuse. I'm getting grumpy. Who wants some TNT? Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Yeah,
I love them.
That's the ones I remember.
Hey everybody, this is Marissa Lenti, voice of Nita, and Nita says, go watch more videos, like, comment, and subscribe to Lex, or I'll send the bear after you. I do still try to play video games. From time to time, I've actually got a ton of games out on my shelf in my living room. I don't have the time.
Oh, I can.
Oh, I'm coming around the bushes to protect my little girl. Watch it, boom! I got you. Cause Bo's the guy. Bo's got the guns. He's got the... Oh, don't let me trip on you. Come on, Lex. You can't blame me. Get out of there. Run away. Run away.
Time to update my blog. Tell people that I was interviewed by Lex Gaming. Oh my god. I literally can't even. Also, #winning of time to update my blog.
Tis I, Mortis the Magnificent, the true creature of the night, and your Lex Brawl Stars wanting to interview me, but I've never done an interview in my entire life. I'm mortified. I would much prefer to wear a hat. Creatures of the night. Dash and destroy. I bring you the gift of darkness. Mortis, bringer of doom. I am a creature of the night. Have much fear. Mortis is here. You have been bested. Your soul is mine. Time to rest. I believe you got pwned. I'm mortified. You fiend. How dare you? Creatures of the night and bringer of bats. Goodbye.
Here's some of my favorites. Ron and Beauty. Too pretty for pain. Prime time, baby. Ow! Not the face! Oh, wait, I remember this is the big one. Sorry, noob. I like that one. Pew, pew, pew! Bullet storm! This is too easy. Time for trouble. Watch out. Here I come. Check out my guns. Ha ha ha!
Оразаларыңыз қабыл болсын. Бұл видеоны до конца сүйсініп көрген адамдарға мыңда бір рахмет. Енді достар, араларыңызда ораза ұстап жүрген адам болса, оразаларыңыз қабыл болсын. Ал енді келесі видео шықсын десеңіздер, лайк және подписка, келесі видео шығады достар. Менде қазір білем 12 подписчик, енді бұл өте аз. Сондықтан да лайк басып мені былайша айтқанда поддержать етіңіздерші. Ал ендеше қош сау болыңыздар.